Hello, this is Ankit Kumar. Presently, I am pursuing BTech from Asansol Engineering College from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, I am going to make a separate video on transducer, which is in metrology engineering. So, first of all, I would like to explain what is metrology. In simple, we can say measurement of science is called metrology engineering. So, in metrology engineering, what is transducer and what is the active transducer and what is passive transducer? Today we will discuss. So first of all, we need to discuss what is transducer. Transducer is a device where we can convert one form of energy to another form of energy. It means that conversion of energy from one form to another form. If we have electrical energy and if we want to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, then we use transducer. So simply we can say transducer is a device which converts the energy from one form to another form. Now what is active transducer and what is passive transducer? Active transducer are self-generating and operating device under the energy conservation principle. We know very well the energy conservation principle, so we need not to explain. They generate an equivalent electrical output signal, as for example pressure to change from the temperature to electric potential, and they do not require any auxiliary power source to produce the output. Means it's a self-generating device. As for example, this thermocouple. Thermocouple is the best example for active transducer. Now what is passive transducer? Passive transducer is also known as externally power transducer. Externally power transducer means what? We can give the power from external source. That is called passive transducer. Means these transducer derive the power required to transduction from an auxiliary source. Means simply we can say that we are giving the power from external source, that is called passive transducer. As for example, that is resistance thermometer. Resistance thermometer is the best example which we use in passive transducer. Now we have to discuss what is the difference between primary and secondary transducer. What is primary transducer and what is secondary transducer? Actually, these are two stages of transduction. Firstly, the pressure is converted into displacement, and in the burden tube LVDT, pressure is converted into displacement. Then displacement is converted into analogous voltage. Now the burden tube may be called as the primary transducer, and LVTD, which is linear variable differential transformer, which will be called as secondary transducer. Thank you.